Hey folks, welcome to the Waldo World. This is Waldo. Today we're making a 2-peg paracord bracelet. This is a basic loose set technique that's been modified. You can use any 2-peg combinations that you want. I'm using an easy looper bracelet maker with 4 pegs cut off. It's just this minus 4 pegs. You don't have to. I just do this for illustrative purposes. This technique is the same for the that we use for the 2-peg small paracord bracelet, but because we're using a regular size paracord, and because this is going to be tight in here relatively, we're going to have to. In this case, we are going to have to use a latch hook, and this is the exact bracelet that we're making. Note the square shape compared to the way this one that was used loosely with a smaller cord. So we need paracord, an easy looper bracelet maker, definitely a latch hook, maybe a lighter or a candle to cinch the ends. So let's get started. I just throw all my paracord to the side. Okay folks, so we're going to put our paracord right in our easy looper bracelet maker. The very first one, we are going to do a loop. Just turn it over like that. That's just keep it secure. Then you can do figure 8. Now here, we're just pulling this off. And I'm going to put this loop through here. Okay, loop, put it there and pull it through. Just. And notice that I'm just going to be looping the same direction. And I am not going to be doing a twist in my loop either. And I said we would probably have to use a latch, and at some other point we probably will, but in the beginning it's easier. So here we go. Use your string on the bottom to pull this, tighten, and turn. Now here, it's not as easy to loop through, so we are going to use our latch hook here. Push your latch hook through. Notice this has this little flange. You want to put it on the other side of this loop. Pull over your loose end. And catch that in there. Twist it and pull it through. See? Avoid twisting this. It'll help with that square shape. Tighten. And you do want to push this towards the middle, like so. Okay. Pull this up. Put your latch hook up. And you want this flange to work for you, so make sure it's hooked there. See? So you could pull it through. Otherwise, you're going to end up putting the hook through your paracord and creating a bunch of snags. So pull this through. I'm not doing it particularly tight. I do adjust this in the middle, like so. And if you can do this freehand if you'd like, but I'm not particularly graceful, so. And let me show you what I mean, see? as long as you can keep those two loops there from falling apart, you're fine. You could do that freehand. But again, like I said, I'm not that graceful. So let's do one more. Don't create a loop in there. Just remember, you're just looping around. Just going this way. Don't create a twist in the middle like you would normally do. Adjust this a little and keep on going. Okay, folks, we're halfway through here. That's how it's coming out. Now, I said that you could do this manually, but there are advantages to using this easy looper bracelet maker, because it keeps the knots uniform. And what happens here is when you're pulling this through, and actually pull this under the other one and latch, pull it through, but put your finger here when you're doing that, because what happens if you didn't have a loom, it will also pull this knot, and that's what would make it difficult to freehand. And what this does is keeps your loops uniform. So there you go. Remove, under, and it'll take you a few minutes to master capturing this at the same time. But again, keeping my finger on the loop, the back loop, when I pull this through. See, doesn't matter how far you pull it through, because you're going to put it right back on this loop, and it'll keep it uniform. So keep on. Okay, so we're going to make our loop. Bring this one through those loops. I like to go through the middle, up through the back. So, and capture this loop here. Adjust and tighten. And then let's make a few loops here. I like to go in there twice, pull it through. There you go. Do the other side. 2 loops. Is that 2? And there you go, folks. As always, thank you for watching. If you like this video, like it. Why not subscribe? Ring the bell. Tell a friend. Bye-bye. Till the next one.